Agora entre outra coisa, eu vou invertir. De fim de ano, nós como mulher gosta mira torbek na Espanha. Que nós te viste nos curva. E esse momento caminha que bota começa a buscar color e desenho e algo verdade vai ressaltar.
My concept is bring beautiful fashion clothes to Aruba, especially for the local. And more we focus on the European style, also with the American. But American, I mean that I go bring the design, especially from New York.
Bota gusta pata unique e apart? Well, estilo di paia que pacus anche te ofrece no tem ningún otro lugar. De casual para elegante como por mix and match para cualquier ocasión. Además de bonitas chemise, cocktail dresses, jumpers, blusa, camisa, skirts, shirts, calzón y shorts de tour size y color. Y accesorio no porque da fo para completar el look. Emeralda Boutique está más con experiencia arriba su mes. Pincha out na colección novo. Calidad, colección, variación y el servicio fantástico que bota recibi ne bello pacus aqui, no lagabo queda bim back pa más.
That's one of the things that I am doing here. If I have a customers here, I would like that when they see something they like, I said, try it. Because just one of the things, on the hanger you see it in a different way, but the moment you put it on, is it for me or not? And you see the design, the style, is it really fit for you? And I want all my customers to walk out here very happy with a smile that we are coming back.
Queremos relajar. Na Emeralda Boutique tem amplo espaço de parquear plaza, assim que finalmente eu vou bin shop sem nenhuma preocupação, especialmente agora bota on the go.
I would like to invite all the ladies because we have style from all ages, I would say from 18 up, even when you're 60, 70 years old. I have beautiful dress, can make you feel special. So I want to invite everyone, especially for this occasion, for the season, for the New Year, for the Christmas, that we are here ready to help you with a beautiful outfit.
Emeralda Boutique está situada na Orange Plaza. Se você quer saber mais de nada, subi riba na fanpage. Emeralda Boutique.